Good morning, MWhalekiller over here. Gonna do a vid today. I was planning on doing a vid about Luna. I cannot do a vid about Luna yet because there is a little bit of research going on about Luna and about the Luna token, the Loon C token, and the UST. So I don't own enough information yet to be making a Luna vid. So it will come up in this week. I'm waiting for some research about it and then I'll come back to it. But nevertheless, welcome everyone. We're gonna do for sure, an even more important vid today. We're gonna talk a bit about Bitcoin macro. What are we seeing? What's going on? What are these moves? Because I think that this is much more important at this moment, in my opinion. So everyone must know for himself, but in my opinion, this is something that I'm eyeing for now. So I want to do some macro charting today, and I want to also show you guys some combinations you can make from what you can gain some macro analysis and understand the markets better in making your choices in buying, in investing, trading, etc. By the way, guys, yesterday really the vid went viral, was very good about the indicator. I've received a lot of DMs about the indicator, and it's really so sad that a lot of people are not using this indicator. And what I also don't understand is this: if you watch the vid and you know that the indicator works like I'm showing you that it works, and a lot of hundreds and hundreds of retailers are using it, maybe thousands, to get it, you have to trade on Weex. That's the only thing, or Maxi. So just send me UID when you're active trading on both of those exchanges. You'll get the indicator, but even better, you'll get into the private group where the trading course vids are, and those trading course vids are much more valued than the indicator and anything else. So it's how you will learn how to become a trader step by step. So it's very important. So if you're trading on whatever exchange out there and you're married to it, then just keep trading over there. But this is how it works. You can only get the indicator if you trade on Weex or Maxi using the links below. That's it. The years that I was providing everything for free, those years are gone. And why? Because I was getting a lot more scammers than honest people. Because the honest people that really follow me and they believe in what I do and have saved themselves over and over again with proof from my predictions, why would they trade on any other exchange than Weex or Maxi? Well, they can pay much lower fees. Weex is one of the safest exchanges out there. So why would they trade on other exchanges? So it's for free. The only thing you have to do is you go to the exchange, whatever you are, you transfer funds to Weex, and you're trading over there, and you'll get access to every service of the MWhalekiller in the private group. But it's your own choice. Don't feel, if you don't want to do it, just don't do it. You can also like, repost, comment on my posts, and maybe you'll be the winner on YouTube or on X, and I will provide you the code. Yesterday there was also a winner, so the winner yesterday has got his code also. So about Luna, by the way, guys, Luna, I know that a lot of people don't remember this. I was the only one in CT that predicted a Luna crash. A lot of people seem to forget this. There was one time was a guy, he told me, MB, when you predicted that Luna crash, I had a portfolio of 87% Luna. And UST also. My stable was in UST. He told me when you said this project, I'm getting my money, all my money out of it, this is not going to end well. He told me I cashed out 80% of my money out of Luna based on that post of you. And that saved my life and that saved my money. And this guy offered me also a lot of money. And I told him, I will not take a dime from you. It's your own money and you were the one that believed and acted on what I shared. So it's all on you. The credits are on you. And a lot of people seem to, because he told me, how is it possible that you only got like 20k, 30k followers on YouTube, you've got 1,000 subscribers. You're the freaking only one that predicted the Luna crash. You should have a statue. You should be at CNBC and at Bloomberg. No, that's not how it works, my friend. In crypto it works like this. Scammers, shillers, everything that's evil, those are the ones they invite and give stage and podiums. The honest people and the ones that are really in it for to educate and to make really honest money without getting wrecked, those ones they will bury. Okay, so Bitcoin, guys, let us go. So I want to take you guys through Bitcoin today, because Bitcoin has been pumping a lot, and you know, there are some retailers, and I really, you know, as much as patient I am, it's a bit annoying and a bit irritating to me. My retailers, those weak emotional retailers, when Bitcoin makes a move up, oh my god, Bitcoin is pumping, it's going up, why isn't it coming down? He's almost crying. And then, oh my god, Bitcoin is going down, oh, why doesn't it want to bounce, why doesn't it want to go up? Also almost crying. Bro, when you have this feeling, get out of the markets, go do something else, go work, earn your money, stay out of crypto and trading. You're not fit for these markets, because you've got these really weak retailers, and you know, I can get a bit irritated from them. And you know, the thing that irritates me the most is everyone that is in my community, I gave them the indicator. So go watch the vid of the indicator. By the way, guys, everyone that watched the vid of the indicator, if you want to give something back to me, share this vid of the indicator anywhere you are, in any crypto group, in any crypto community, in any crypto telegram group, in any crypto, wherever you are, where you are, share the vid. Show people what they're missing. Show people that are missing. And it's a free freaking indicator. So show everyone in a WhatsApp, wherever it is, tell them, watch this indicator. And I will make a short vid today. So it will be a short one. I'll also make it on TikTok. I will make a short vid about the indicator today. So it will be very short, so people can in 1 minute see what the indicator does. That's just how it is. These are facts. These are no lies, no scams, no shills. So please, guys. So you've got the freaking indicator. So when the indicator, like yesterday, let me show you. Yesterday I explained you exactly on the ETH chart how to trade the indicator. And then some retailers start saying, oh my god, Bitcoin is going up, oh my god, Bitcoin is going up, oh. Yes, so it's going up. Act on it. Listen, look what I told you over here. What did I say over here? Let me see. Here, this post. You know, I cannot come to your home, come to your desk, come to your mouse, come to your computer to do the trading for you. I'm showing you exactly how to do it. So if you can do it, just don't do it, or just become a long-term hodler. Just buy some Bitcoin, buy some altcoins, leave them in a cold wallet, go do your thing, live your life, come back in a year, see if there's some profits there. If there are profits, take them. If there are not profits, go back to your work and live your life. But if you're too emotional, oh my god, Bitcoin is going up, oh my god, Bitcoin is going down. I showed you. I think, he thinks, she thinks, they think, we think Bitcoin will come up or down. Stop thinking and start acting. Look at it. Look. Just look. I explained it yesterday. On the ETH chart. So let's go and check it out. So what happened over here? We were over here down, 62. This is, by the way, on the 1 hour, guys, on the 1 freaking hour. So this is really for people that want to trade. Okay, down, 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 down. This was the first candle that closed above the indicator. So over here, you wait for it, you wait, you can make an entry over here. What did I exactly tell you guys yesterday? When it gets onto the 200 EMA, you take profits. So this was the first trade you would have made money. Okay, we're getting rejected, out, 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 you're out, 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 out. Over here, the second one closes above it. Come back, you enter, it goes up, you take the damn profits again. Okay, let me go further. Over here, we broke and closed above the 200 EMA. You wait, you jump in here, over here, here, and then off she went. This is exactly, if you would watch the ETH, the vid of yesterday, this wasn't happened yet yesterday when I was explaining this. We didn't see this yet. So, but it's the same. So you go up, you're in it, long, 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 long. It comes back to the indie. It holds. Look, indicator. You're going up again. Boom, 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 boom. You're in gains, in gains, in gains, in gains, in gains. So stop freaking crying about, oh my God, Bitcoin is going up. Oh my God, Bitcoin is going down. Oh my God, this. Stop thinking and feeling and yelling and shouting and typing and whatever you're doing. Start freaking acting. Start acting. Put this chart on and start acting on it. I can get so tired. You really have to be really strong. Okay, let me go back to my macro, guys. We're gonna show the indie in a bit. By the way, guys, for the ones that are watching today, didn't watch the video of yesterday, the indicator, the only way to get it is if you're trading on Weex or MACD, especially Weex, because I don't know for how much longer my partnership will be with MACD, but for Weex, I've got a long-term partnership with Weex, and they're also planning on even lowering their fees even lower. Some new things are coming up, and the native token, there are big things coming to Weex. If you guys can follow a little bit of news, you're seeing that Weex is getting everywhere. That's why I really think Weex will be a top 5 exchange, and it's a super safe exchange. And many don't know this also. We have our own privileged contact person. It's in Dutch, contactpersoon. Now we've got our own personal contact on TG if there is any issue on your Weex. So suppose you're on Weex and I don't know what happens, something happens, or you lose money, or there is something wrong with the system, or something is wrong with whatever, we have our own personal MWhalekiller community contact. So they will help you 24 hours a day. So if there is any issue while you're trading on Weex, we've got someone to solve it directly. And I'm on it. So if something happens, I will take the responsibility if they will not help you. So they will help you. They're there. And you know, I didn't get that at any exchange because I have had some big problems on exchanges, and when I try to contact them, they give me some bot, or they give me someone that doesn't speak English, and I'm always in trouble, always waiting like 2-3 hours to get help. On Weex, I got a problem, in 10 minutes they help me. So that's about that. So guys, I want to show you something. Monthly candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 monthly candles on a row in green. Let me tell you this is madness. I remember this one very good in 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we already beaten this one, and this was this was when the printer was running over hours. So the printer was making dollars like crazy over here. The printer is maybe also printing some dollars over here, but not as much as over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just saying. I want to show you guys something else. This is Bitcoin chart. This is on the monthly, guys. So this is based on how the candle will, how it will close. So this chart will only show you in about, we are today, what date is it today? In 5 days. In 5 days, this is exactly that 73,000 resistance. You see it? You see this? I'm just showing you. You see this? Look where we are. If this would be a sort of channel we're in, traveling in, look at this. We went from 15k to 73k in almost one line up. I know, I'm seeing a lot of meme coins making 20x, 30x, 50x, 100x. Good luck to you if you can catch one, because it's very easy for someone to tell you this meme coin made a 50x. But would you have the chance to buy it on that low? No, you would not. Because if you would only check, there are a lot of Solana. A lot of scams are happening all on Solana. And that's why I really hate Solana, by the way. Because all the scams are happening almost on Solana. They are flipping Solana to whatever shitty meme, Ponzi meme coin, flipping that Solana, flipping it back, flipping. And then if you would go, there's a post I can show you guys in a moment maybe. People are making 20 million, 40 million in a day. They're flipping that Solana to some meme coin, and then they're flipping that meme coin back to Solana, and they're making 20 million, 30 million, 40 million. Those gains they make, who do you think paid for that? Because these are sharks' whales. Who do you think? So if a shark will, I can show you in a moment, if they make those gains, who is paying for those gains? Exactly. We as retailers are. We are paying for those gains. Someone has to pay for it. So if a will, and this is happening on daily basis, guys, on daily basis. People are making whales, are making sharks, are making 20, 30, 40, 50 million in an hour, in 2 hours, in 2 days, 3 days, because they are in advantage. You know, I made that influencer summary, you know, my last one. Their advantage, they can buy in early, they can buy in cheaper, they can use that to shill it more. And when prices pump, they are the ones that gonna sell, and they leave a lot of retailers behind, wrecked, totally wrecked. So okay, so keep an eye on this one, guys, because this is, if you want to see the price, here it is. So this is how it looks on the line, on the monthly, so how it's gonna close. Let me show you guys on how it looks on the chart. This is how it looks on the candle. So it's the same, but it's a bit more. You see those spikes. You don't see them on the line. So guys, this is where we are. This is where we are. A minimum. Let me put on the indicator. A minimum correction to the monthly. On the monthly is 35k. A minimum. This is in the most bullish case. So if we would be really bullish, it has to come back to the 35k. This is in the most bullish case. So suppose that the indicator, we broke above it and we come back to retest it to make a high. So 35. If you would go to the weekly, there is another line. You can put this one on. You've got the 50k. So But now I'm going to show you guys something that's, I think, even more important. Let me remove all this. Let me remove all this. Remove. I only want the indicator on. Yes. Now I want to show you guys something to explain you guys what I'm educating you guys to be really the best investors and the best traders out there. So focus now. Focus. I'm going to show you. Look at this. You see this? Look at this. Just look at this. Look at this. Give it a good look. Let me remove the 200 EMA so you can see it better. Okay, better picture. Just look at this now. Look at this. You're all seeing this? Yes. Look at this. You're seeing this from here. Boom, 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 boom. By the way, indicator break up on the daily. Hold, off, back. Support, and there we go. So again, if you don't have this indicator, you're a fool, you're a thief of your own pockets. But it's not what why I'm showing you guys. Look at this. Memorize this chart. Bear with me. Let me remove this one. Let me remove this one. Okay. Let's watch this chart. Okay? You see this chart? Look at this chart. Let me go back. 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 This chart. Are you seeing what I am seeing? So the question that I get a lot, MB, why is Bitcoin not dumping? Because we know we are at super overbought levels. We know that. We know that the FOMO has hit in. We know that people are making millions on meme coins, on Ponzi coins, on shit coins. We know that we are at, let me show you guys, we are at 81 extreme greed levels. We all know this, MB. But why isn't Bitcoin coming down so we can buy in again? Just like you shared in many vids. Why? This is the answer. And don't ask me again. I'm educating you guys. I'm not the one that is going to hold your hand and to tell you when to buy or when to sell. I'm educating you to make your own choices, because let me tell you this, if you will go to CT and listen to all those influencers, there is a 99.99% that you're going to be totally wrecked. Totally wrecked. Because on CT, they only show you what they're paid for to show you. And when someone is going to pay someone to show you some project, it means that he's needing some exit liquidity and he will dump his bags on. It's just how it works in crypto. And there's nobody that's going to care about you or to say, oh my God, oh what a pity, he bought in at the top and he's now at a 99% loss on his bags and he lost all his money and he has to go sell his house, car, wife, dog, whatever. Nobody is going to cry about you. It's only you that can think, use your mind, educate, kill that greed, kill the emotion, recognize all those scammers you're seeing there on CT, and focus. So when someone tells you, why is Bitcoin not correcting, why is it not coming down, this chart is the reason. Because what have I been saying now for like 5, 6, 7 years? Wall Street rules, Bitcoin price. Save me all those fairy tales. Save me all those stories about Bitcoin is going to be the new this, the new that, from the people, the this, the that, the blah, 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 blah. Let me tell you exactly what Bitcoin is. This is what Bitcoin is. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? This is the post. This is what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is a trading asset. Nothing more or less. People will only be interested in it if it pumps and dumps like crazy. Exchanges and spot ETF owners make huge gains in fees and will always promote Bitcoin, their own fee profits, to death. This is what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin, if Bitcoin would go to $1 million and there are no sellers anymore because we've got like 3-4 Michael Saylors over there and they hold all the Bitcoin, well, congrats to those, and they will never sell it. You remember Michael Saylor telling you, never sell your Bitcoin. Okay, well, never sell it. So what? So what do you really think that it's about that? Guys, Bitcoin is a trading asset. When people buy and sell it on exchanges, they pay fees. When people trade it on leverage, they pay fees. When spot ETFs, when people, institution wants to buy and sell Bitcoin, they're going to pay fees. That's where all those wheels are doing. That's all Bitcoin is. It's a trading asset. The moment the volatility will decrease, nobody will be interested in Bitcoin anymore. Well, hey, listen, I own 1,000 Bitcoin. Congrats. So what? I'm not interested. Don't you want to buy some Bitcoin? Yes, so what? What am I going to do with it? Okay, what am I going to do with that Bitcoin? Well, maybe you can sell it. Yeah. Is there someone that wants to buy it? No. So what am I going to do with it? Suppose that they've got all the Bitcoin and nobody's interested in buying some Bitcoin. What will that do with the value of it? Because that's it. If nobody's interested in Bitcoin anymore, the value will go to zero. You can own all the Bitcoin of the world, but if nobody's interested in buying it, it's just like those NFTs. And you know, a lot of people don't want to believe this Bitcoin, digital gold, blah, blah, blah. There's no digital gold. Because on gold, I can make myself a nice watch, I can make myself a nice chain, I can make myself a nice ring, I can do a lot of things with gold or with silver. What can I do with Bitcoin? A code on a cold wallet. So let me go back. Look at this. And then look at this. Look at this. Meaning, my point here, if we want Bitcoin to make a correction from which it wants, because I've been eyeing Bitcoin for weeks now and Bitcoin wants to correct. Bitcoin wants to come down. It really wants to come down. It wants to make a nice correction because there are some whales eyeing to buy at lower levels. So Bitcoin is really, it want to come down. But it's this freaking monster that's not allowing it to come down. And this freaking monster, guys, let me tell you this. In all my freaking economic life, I have never, ever, ever, ever seen something like this. Never. This is by far the biggest bubble I've ever seen in my entire life. And it's not only me saying that, all the data is saying it. Everyone is saying, everyone who has got a little bit of brains in his head and knows that this is the biggest bubble ever. But you know that the nice thing about this bubble, it only goes up and it just gets bigger and bigger. And well, there are some theories about the elections coming up, and that's why this thing, they will not allow it to come down. So if this thing will come down, it will be in November or in December. That's one theory. Another theory is this thing will not come down as long as the Fed didn't cut rates, because we need the Fed to cut rates, from which is very bullish for the stocks, and that's the moment when the super whales will dump all their bags on people that buy in on the good news. Because as long as there is no good news, these super whales only pump this price up and up and up more. That's another theory. There's theory number 3, that they're still printing money. They're still printing money. And that money, it's just paper. It's paper. So if it's paper, because they're just printing it out of thin air, so why would you hold any paper? Just buy stocks with it. Nvidia, tech stocks, whatever. Just buy stocks with it. No need to hold that paper. So this is the reason. So when you're eyeing Bitcoin and it's ramping up, we're now at 71K already. This is why. This is why. This is why. Because as long you see this drop over here to the Indy, look at it. That was this drop over here. You see this drop here? Here? The only you will see a tiny difference in charts. You know why? That has something to do with leverage, because the Bitcoin price is ruled by these wheels and also a lot of exchanges, and they are they're liquidating longs and shorts at the same time. So you'll see the price go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, go down. Scammy price action, but that's just leverage, and they're just liquidating. A lot of people on those exchanges are making a lot of money out of that. So, but look at this. You see this? We came back to the indicator and then up. It's the same. Look, came back to the indicator. Only here you've got the weekend, because the weekends are not open on the stocks, and on Bitcoin you have it. So indicator up. Look, indicator up. It's also on this one. Indicator up. Here, indicator up. Indicator up. So to summarize this vid and to close this vid also, if you ask yourself, why is Bitcoin pumping? Open up the Nasdaq. If you ask yourself, why is Bitcoin dumping? Open up the Nasdaq. Guys, I'm showing you what you cannot find anywhere on YouTube or CT. I'm showing you what's really happening behind the curtains. I'm trying to make you guys professional traders. I'm trying to make you guys professional investors. I'm trying to teach you guys where to look for. I'm trying to teach you guys not to be, I forgot that word in English, not to be counting on anyone else. So that's what I'm trying to teach yourself. And to get into the details how to make a lot of money out of this happens in the private on the trading course Weex. So if you want to join us, the Weex link is below. Big things coming up on Weex the coming weeks. I will also make, I've got a lot of requests about Weex tutorial vid. I will make a new one very soon. Stay focused on that one. It will come up. And well, guys, push on the like, please leave a comment. Have a nice one, and bye bye.